This is the Iron Trader. It is Sunday night. Now the futures open here at 6 o'clock. That was about 15 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, before we get started, if you are trading NVIDIA, they did their 10-for-1 split today. So if you have the TOS charts, the split is ready on there. Now, tomorrow at midday trading, we also always, guys, to say, do natural gas and crude oil. And we're going to add NVIDIA to the old list. And then I'll show you what the split prices are, where the support and resistance levels are, where the gaps are. So if you're trading it, be an easy way here to get you started so you can make a few bucks. Okay, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, what we looked at here on Friday is we look at that 8 SMA here, okay? So that was your selling point right into it. So now, look what we have here, okay? So what we're looking for, let's just take a look at the downside first. So we're looking at the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 75.21. And then we can come over here to the top of here. You're looking at 74.33. And then we look to the bottom of this candle at 74.06. And then we can come here at 73.98. And then your next support here is 72.82. And then we have your big retest down there at 72.48 level. Okay, so that's what we got on the downside. Obviously, now that 72.48 level there is lost. What we're going to be looking for is right here. You're looking at 71.79, and then look at old sticky here at 71.41. Just bring that price channel right across. That's what you're looking for if that 72.48 here is lost. Now, if this pops up, well, what are we looking for? Well, let's just go to the left of the chart. We're looking here for 75.79. That's your next resistance. And then we look at Friday's high, okay, at 76.25. But the key level right here is you need to close above this 75.35. That's very key. Now, it looks like right now that it's above, and maybe you can hook around and go on up here. But right now, always watch that 8 SMA there on a closing basis. That is going to be very, very key. And then if we can get up to Friday's high at 76.25 level, then we'd be looking here pretty good. Then your next level here is look at the bottom of that candle, 76.67. And then what we have here is we can look to the top of that candle, 77.52. But this is what you're really looking for right there, that 77.40. Now, you look at your 21 simple moving average here, you have all that bearish cross all the way down, your 8-day. However, you know, that doesn't mean that 8-day, once this price starts rolling up here, that 8-day can't curl up, go above the 21-day, and we send that bad boy higher, just like we did here, okay? Now, here what we're looking for, last week we did not close above that 200-day weekly, okay? That's now sitting at 76.14, so your 200-day is moving up here, but we did have a bottoming tail here last week. Now, it was kind of disappointing because if you look at all in the past here, look how many times that, it went down, but it closed. These are all weeklies, okay, for the weeks there that it closed back above, but it just did not do it. However, now we got to see what's going to go on here. But this is going to be another key level here, this 76.14, which lines up pretty nice here with the bottom of that candle at 76.15. Okay, so very, very key. And then I say Friday's high is at 76.25. So that's going to be very, very key resistant level here. So if you can get above that, then we can come up to that 77.40 level. Now you can see where your 8-day has really moved down here. So you're sitting at 78.15, which will be just right above that 21 SMA here. And then we have a lot of big resistance, 79.25. That's your 21-day. You have this 50-day at 79.58, and we have your Hondo there at 79.76. So everything, if we look at this 100-day here, 79.28 here, and then we have your 79.75, everything is in that 79 area, okay? That's going to be very, very strong resistant. But again, one level at a time. So let's just watch here. Monday morning when this opens, we want to watch that 8 SMA, and then we want to go to Friday's high, okay? And then if we can get above that, here's going to be your target. It's going to be that 21-day, 77.40, and then we're going to have that 8 SMA at 78.15, which is just right above that. And then we can come right up here to your 79.28 and then your 79.75. Again, we got to get above this and above that, and then we can start heading to the rest of this resistant level here. So we got a lot of resistance going on. Now, RSI here, well, you're looking good. You're just kind of flattened right on out here. This is still in like an over sold condition kind of a situation, but your green is still below your red. If that green can curl up there, Then we can send it just like this here. See, once that green gets over that red, see how nice that is? And then what does it do to the price? Okay, so you got to be a little bit patient here. Any kind of a catalyst, any kind of disruption is going to send crude much, much higher. So watch that 8-day, watch Friday's high. If we can get above all that there, then we can look in here right at that 21-day. By Friday, we really would like to close above that 76.14. That would be very, very good. Okay, so let's watch the daily. And then by Friday, we want to get above that, and we can maybe get above all this 79 resistance. We can send this bad boy higher. Okay, let's take a look here at Netty Gas. Okay, here we have natural gas on your daily chart. Okay, so let's just take a look and see what we're doing. Now, you can see here the nice really run up here. Look at your 8 SMA, see? Kept on going. Looks like it was going to curl over, but it never did. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at your 21-day. Look at your 50-day, okay? Bottom left, upper right. That's exactly what you're looking for here for a bullish trend. Now, Friday, you made a new high. This was your breakout level right here, at 2.92. And then Friday, you went to rate point 2.96. So what I was doing is I was pointing out, if you bring that price channel across right there, that 2.96, and that's where it went. Okay, now today, we made a little bit higher here. So you got 2.998. Well, what we do, we just follow the candles back up here again, okay? So now we're above that resistance. So what we do is we just go to the next resistance. So the next level here you're looking at is 3.01. That's what you're looking for your next resistance. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come here, if you can get above that, at that 3.10 area. Then we'll have here, okay, so you're looking at 3.189, and then we have 3.23. Then we can come up here to your 3.37, and then you have 3.39. That's your big retest all the way on up there. But right now, we have a nice, good bullish trend, just like we had right here. Now, natural gas always gives you a way to get in and get out of it. I scalp the UNG. I like it because it's a 1-on-1 ratio. You can do BOIL, B-O-I-L. That's always good there too. KOLD there for the short. But UNG just seems like, I go there and I'll buy 5,000 shares of it. You don't really need that much to make the money. Okay, that's the beauty of it, of the old UNG there. And it's easy in, easy out, big volume, no hassles. That's what I like about the old UNG kind of situation. So I'm going to wait and see what's going to happen here. So now what you're looking for is that 3.0, okay? What did I say right here? Okay, 3.01. That's what we're looking for. Again, if we get above all that there, then we're looking right there, 3.10. That's going to be your target. And then 3.189. That's going to be your target. And then 3.23. And then we just follow it all the way up. Now, downside, what we want to watch, Joe, is now this is always the key level. Always go right to the left of the chart. This is what you're looking for, okay? Needs to hold that 2.92, because just because it's green up here, that doesn't mean it can't come all the way down here, okay? So we have some really good support levels here. Very, very good, okay? So obviously you want to watch that 2.96, but this one here is going to be very key, 2.92. And then we just follow the candle, okay? What do you got? 2.85. We come right here. What do you have? 2.79, okay? And then we have this top of this candle is right here. It's going to be 2.75, and that lines up perfectly with your 8 SMA at 2.75. Very, very nice. Now, again, if this is lost, we can come down to the bottom of this candle. You got 2.72 level here, and then we can, come all the way down to your 21 SMA here, very easy. But this looks like a very, very good bullish pattern. If you watched my videos last week, I said we're trading this box, okay? You break out above this here, you're going to go higher. You break below that 200-day, you're going to go lower. Very, very simple. But this was such a really good trading, okay? And I can't see anything different coming in next week. Very, very good trading, okay? So again, on the upside, watch that 3.0. This is the target that you're looking for in a near term, 3.01 and 3.10 and 3.18. That's what you're looking here for your targets there on the upside. Then we can follow if it blasts right on up. Downside, watch Friday's high, 2.96. And then watch this key level here at that 2.92. Long as you hold in that, you're doing very, very good. Then we have 2.85, 2.79, and then we have that nice 2.75 area looking very good. Now, RSI, very, very nice. It's showing good. That's RSI, just relative strength index. Looks very, very good. Plus, you can see you can always look at for divergences and anything else that you have, which is always very, very good also, okay? Now, your MACD, your green above your red shows momentum. That's all it really does, is once that green gets above that red, that shows momentum. And where is it? To the upside. When that green goes below that red, that shows momentum to the downside, just like you had here, okay? So this should be a really good, easy trade for you. Any kind of a pullback, wait for a buying opportunity. This is the key level. As long as you hold that 2.75, that 8 simple moving average, boom, she's going higher. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow morning before 8 bells, and we will do it all over again. Thanks for watching.